Hey Easy Technology fans, in this tutorial we're going to be showing y'all how to find your Wi-Fi passwords on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And this is very easy. So first thing you have to do is simply choose the Start menu and go ahead and type in Control Panel. Go ahead and select the app that pops up. And from here what you want to do is look for Network and Internet. Alright, and as you can see it says over here Network and Sharing Center, so that's what you need to be looking for. If you don't see this option, then make sure the View By is selected under Large Icons for us to be on the same page. So go ahead and select that. And what you want to do is simply go ahead and next to access type, it'll say Internet, and then connections, it'll say Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and it'll say the name of your Wi-Fi. So go ahead and simply select that, and it's going to open this small tab here. So what you want to do is simply go ahead and choose wireless properties. Alright, and then from here what you want to do is simply go ahead and choose the security tab. And it's going to say network security key right over here. So this is your Wi-Fi password for the current Wi-Fi you're connected to. So my current Wi-Fi is Sam. And all you have to do is simply choose characters, show characters, and it will display your Wi-Fi password right over here. And that's all you have to do. Alright, so now we are going to open wireless properties from our settings. Go ahead and exit all this out, close it out. Alright, and what we're going to do is go ahead and choose the Start menu and go ahead and select Settings, or you can also choose Windows key plus I to open up Settings. And from here we're going to choose the Network and Internet bar on the side. And from here on the very bottom you're going to choose Advanced Network Settings. And what you want to look for is under Related Settings, More Network Adapter Options. So go ahead and select that. And just a quick note, you can also open the Network Connections window in the Control Panel by entering ncpa.cpl in the Run dialog box. And as you can see, this is your Wi-Fi. So if you select the Wi-Fi SAM you're connected to, and again it's going to take you to the same place, you can choose wireless properties and security, and once again it's going to display your Wi-Fi password. Alright, so now we will be viewing all Wi-Fi passwords that are stored on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So what you want to do is simply open up the Start menu and type in CMD for the command prompt, or type in command prompt. Go ahead and choose Run as Administrator. Choose Yes to allow changes. Alright, and what you want to do is simply type in this command here. Go ahead and choose Enter. And as you can see, it'll show you all the Wi-Fi names that you have ever used or stored on your computer before. So locate the Wi-Fi name in which you would want to find the password for. So in my case, I'll just find my own Wi-Fi's password once again, which is Sam over here. So what you want to do is type in this command one more time. And go ahead and type in the name of the network after the equals sign. And then type in key equals clear. Enter. Alright, and as you can see, it displays the whole profile of my home network. So here is the name, here's some other information about it. And if you look under security settings, it'll say key content. And after key content, it'll display the Wi-Fi password, which is 100% correct. Alright, so that concludes my tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like the video, share it to your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.